Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the lag problems or the lagging problems of our Windows 10 laptop or PC. Okay, so let's start with the process. The very first thing we need to do is to make a click on our Windows icon and go directly to settings. Here in the settings, go to your left pane and you will find their privacy and security. Just make a click on it and then skip the security part. Here we need to go to the Windows permission, and then under general option we need to make sure that all the features under general option are turned off. So that's the thing that we need to do. So once you see that this is on, just make sure that that you turn it off. Okay, so after doing that, we need to go back to privacy and security again. And here in the speech section, you make sure that the option here or the feature here is also off. As well as in the inking and typing personalization. So please make sure that these are off. As well as for the diagnostics and feedback. So turn off the options here. And for the feedback frequency, this is how often Windows asks for your feedback. Please make sure that you click on this drop down button, and instead of selecting automatically, which is recommended, I know, but you should choose here or select the option that says never. Okay, and then we go back again to privacy and security, and here we need to scroll down to look for location. And in this part, we need to make sure that the options here are also off. Okay, so we need to turn this off and go back again. And here for the notifications, let's also make sure that all these features here are turned off. Now, after doing so, all you need to do is just make a quick restart with your laptop or PC, and then everything will be solved. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye!